Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC B1032, indicates a lost communication issue between the Microprocessor-controlled Integrated Circuit Unit, MICU, and the SRS, Supplemental Restraint System unit, in Honda Civic models from 2006 to 2011. This communication breakdown can significantly impact the vehicle's safety systems. The MICU is a crucial component responsible for managing various vehicle operations, while the SRS unit is essential for deploying airbags in the event of a collision. Proper functioning of both components is vital in ensuring occupant safety. The presence of this DTC suggests that diagnostic attention is necessary to avoid potential safety risks. This presentation aims to guide you through the troubleshooting process in a systematic way, ensuring efficient diagnosis and repair. The error code B1032 points to an issue where the MICU has lost communication with the SRS unit. The MICU is located in the underdash area of the vehicle and plays a crucial role in managing vehicle operations like lighting and security systems. The SRS unit is responsible for deploying airbags and other safety features during a crash scenario. If this communication fails, the safety systems can become compromised, posing a serious risk to driver and passenger safety. This loss of communication may result from various issues, such as loose connections or faults in the wiring. Identifying the components and their roles will help us effectively diagnose the issue and restore proper communication between them. Several factors can lead to DTC B1032. A common cause is loose or poor electrical connections, particularly at the gauge control module connector and the underdash fuse relay box connector. A poor connection can disrupt the flow of signals between the MICU and the SRS unit, leading to communication failure. Another possibility is that the MICU itself is faulty. If there are no issues with the connections, a defective MICU may require replacement. Additionally, an open circuit in the communication line could also prevent the MICU from receiving necessary signals from the SRS unit. These potential culprits should be systematically checked to restore functionality and communication. Symptoms associated with DTC B1032 include an illuminated airbag warning light on the dashboard. This indicator signals that there is a problem with the SRS system, prompting concern for driver and passenger safety. Additionally, the vehicle may exhibit a loss of certain safety features like airbag deployment. In some scenarios, you may experience intermittent communication issues that can make the troubleshooting process challenging. Recognizing these symptoms is essential, not only for diagnosing the problem, but also for understanding the urgency and impact on vehicle safety. It's crucial to address these symptoms promptly to ensure a safe driving experience. The first troubleshooting step in addressing DTC B1032 involves using the Honda Diagnostic System HDS to clear the existing DTCs. The HDS is a specialized tool that allows technicians to interface with the vehicle's onboard computer systems. Clearing the DTCs resets the ECU, enabling a fresh evaluation of the system status. After clearing, it prompts a new diagnostic cycle to determine if the issue persists. This step is essential as it helps eliminate any temporary glitches that may cause erroneous error codes. Ensure to follow the manufacturer guidelines for using HDS before proceeding to the next steps. Following the clearing of DTCs, the next step is to turn the ignition switch to the lock, 0 position, and then back to on, 2. This action is vital as it helps reset the vehicle's electronic systems and establishes a stable communication pathway between the MICU and the SRS unit. Keeping the ignition in this sequence allows the onboard computer to reinitialize and check for any active issues. It's important to wait for at least 6 seconds before moving on to the next diagnostic check to ensure all systems are fully powered and ready for assessment. After setting the ignition to on 2, it is crucial to wait for at least 6 seconds. This initial wait time allows the vehicle's electronic systems, including the MICU and SRS unit, to stabilize and check for any faults during the boot-up process. This waiting period is not just a formality. It ensures that all systems are adequately initialized and ready for communication. Initiating checks too soon might result in inaccurate diagnostic readings, leading to confusion in troubleshooting. Therefore, patience during this step is essential for effective diagnostics. The next step is to check for DTCs once again using the HDS. This step serves the purpose of verifying if DTC B1032 is still present after the initial clearing and ignition sequence. If the DTC reappears, it confirms that there is a persistent communication issue between the MICU and the SRS unit. It's essential to document any additional DTCs that may also be indicated at this point. If DTC B1032 is not present, this may point to an intermittent failure, suggesting the gauge control module is functioning correctly. In such cases, checking connections at the gauge control module and the under-dash fuse relay box is the logical next step. If DTC B1032 is still present, you will need to check for additional DTCs, B1008 and B1011. The presence of these codes, in conjunction with B1032, may indicate an open circuit in the communication pathway between the MICU and the gauge control module. The gauge control module plays a crucial role in relaying information to the driver, and any communication failure here may lead to inaccurate readings or system failures. If these additional DTCs are present, it indicates a more complex issue requiring further inspection of the communication circuit. Should the wiring be intact, yet codes persist, it may suggest MICU failure, warranting replacement of the under-dash fuse/relay box to resolve the issue. Once repairs have been completed, it's crucial to finalize verification of all systems affected by the DTC B1032. Confirm that the MICU and SRS unit are functioning correctly without any communication issues. After ensuring that all corrections are made, use the HDS to clear the DTCs and conduct a retest. This allows for monitoring the systems for any reoccurrence of the fault. A successful absence of the DTC indicates a successful repair. Effective verification is essential in ensuring both vehicle safety and performance reliability. Remember to log all findings and repairs for future reference. To mitigate future occurrences of DTC B1032, regular preventive maintenance is essential. This includes inspecting all electrical connections, particularly those linked to the MICU and SRS unit, to ensure they remain tight and secure. Corrosion and wear can often lead to loose connections, which can cause communication breakdowns. Additionally, periodic servicing of the SRS system, including routine checks and diagnostics using the HDS, can help identify potential issues before they escalate into more significant problems. Scheduling routine inspections can also enhance overall vehicle safety and performance, ensuring that critical systems remain operational. In conclusion, understanding DTC B1032 and its implications is crucial for maintaining safety in the Honda Civic from 2006 to 2011. The communication failure between the MICU and SRS unit can pose significant safety risks, necessitating prompt attention. By following the outlined troubleshooting steps, technicians can efficiently diagnose and rectify the issues causing the DTC. Remember that preventive measures, including regular inspections of connections and periodic servicing of the SRS system, can significantly decrease the likelihood of future problems. Ultimately, diligence in diagnostics and preventative care will help ensure the safe and reliable operation of the vehicle. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.